My name is Ariana. I discovered LeafFilter through a home improvement show in Iowa, and my experience with it was really smooth. They talked me through the whole process of what they were going to be doing and just kind of gave me a general idea of what to expect on when they were going to come. And it was really nice because the initial date that we had set up for them to come out, it was a little bit later in the month, but they were able to come earlier than that, which was really convenient for me. And Josh, the installer, had come in and he introduced himself. He was very friendly, informed me what he was going to be doing and how long he was probably going to work on it. And I want to say overall, he got it done within 2 hours, which was really nice because I work from home. And so just knowing that it's getting done in a timely fashion, it meant a lot to me. And after the installation was done, he kind of gave me the rundown, let me know what to expect, and just made it a whole seamless process for me. And with all the rain that we've been getting, I've noticed a difference. When I moved into my house, I had never cleaned my gutters, so it was really nice to know that I don't even have to worry about that anymore. So yeah, overall, my experience with LeafFilter has been fantastic.